my channel. Today's topic is letter writing. Today we'll learn how to write letter writing in the examination. There is a two type of letter, formal letter, and the second one is the informal one. The formal one is a official letter and it is a personal letter. Informal one is personal letter. So we'll know the difference between the formal letter and informal letter. The formal letter will write to our headmistress or any administration where we can write. The letter is called the formal letter. It may be municipality, post office, police station, maybe bank, maybe any other organization. So this is the formal letter. Informal letter, the personal letter is like will write letters to our family, friends or relatives. Okay, so this is the informal letter. So it is a comparatively short and it is a comparatively lengthy, and language is very steady. It may be it will write in very simple language. So it is very much organized, and there is a no method in this. There is a no method to write the informal letter. So the length of formal should be between 100 to 150 max to max, and this is a 150 to 180 words. So we'll start with the informal letter, how to write the informal letter. So firstly, we'll go to the next page because the big page is required. So there is a firstly your address written over here. Thereafter we'll write some dear and all, whatever you wish to write, dear Ashok, dear Ram. Thereafter there is certain words are common like hope this letter finds you in the pink of your heart and blue of your mood as it leave me here. Thereafter write the thing like you are inviting your friend in your marriage and whatever. Just do the things, fill the things here. Okay, thereafter finally when you just finish your thing, write here I stop writing expecting as early feedback or maybe it may be reply from your side. Thereafter change the para like convey my regards to the elders and beautiful benevolence to the youngers, and for you ocean of love and contents of core. So just finish here. Thereafter write yours ever, write your name or whatever you would like to do here, like maybe like your name, whatever your name. Thereafter finally here is a 2 and write his address in the box. Okay, and here's a place for stamp. So this is the full informal letter thing. Okay, so now the turn for the formal letter. How to write the formal letter? So here is the write to, like if you have to write for the headmistress, so to the, it is in capital, headmaster, whatever, maybe school Lawrence or whatever the school, thereafter the address of the school. Okay, thereafter the date should be here. Thereafter the subject, why you're writing the letter to your principal. Thereafter the things started like uh, sir or madam, whatever, most humbly and respectfully I beg to state that, write your things here. Okay, whatever your topic for the letter. Okay, thereafter change the para, write therefore I request you, sir, to kindly look into the matter. Okay, and and do the needful action. Thereafter write, you may be write thanking you here, or you may just write here. Thereafter your obedient, sorry, your obedient. Okay, so here is your name, finally at last your name. Okay, so this is the full performer for the formal letter. So if you have to write the formal letter to your municipality or to your counselor, so write to the municipal counselor or whatever. So thereafter write the address, there is a address or your ward number, whatever you want to write here. Thereafter the subject, why you are writing the letter to him or the organization. Thereafter, sir, I wish to bring the following to you, your kind notice that. They have to write the thing, what is the topic. Okay, detail in the second para. They have to finally write therefore I request you, sir, to look into the matter and do the needful. I shall be highly obliged. Okay, so thereafter write thanking you. It may be here or you just write in the corner. Thereafter write your own address here, own address and your faithfully and your name. Editorial letter. So how to write the editorial letter? Write firstly to the editor, the statesman, thereafter the address, thereafter the date, thereafter the subject, whatever the subject it is. Sir, I would deem it a favor if you kindly allow me a little space in your highly estimated English daily to pinpoint the difficulties caused to the people by. So thereafter the topics, what are the topics for that. So after finishing the topic, like there's a water lodging in your in my area, so please look into the matter. And there is this is a very dangerous for the vehicles which are the daily going from that area. Okay, so after that, at last, right, therefore I request the authority concerned to look into the matter and take the remedial step to overcome the situation. They have to write thanking you, thereafter the address. Okay, and at the last write yours faithfully and your name. So this is the full process for the editor letter. Okay, so thanks for watching my channel. Jai Hind.